Hi. Today we are going to learn how to create service-wise billing. When we create service-wise billing, when we complete a service, then we will create a bill of that service. So let's start. Here we have to click on service and again service. In that, click on contract. Next you will see this page. In that, search the name of customer and click on customer name and select further details of contract. Most important, you have to select checkbox of generate service-wise billing. Next you have to select the product and click on add. After that you can see the selected product below. And if you want to, you can edit product details like pricing, GST and other details. Here we have created contract of 3,540 rupees for 3 services. Next you can add payment terms. Like you only want check payments or cash payments. Next you can add classification. And further you can add reference. And next you can attach any documents of contract in attachments. Next you have to click on save button. Then you will see the pop-up of data successfully saved. And then go on menu and click on submit. Then you will see the pop-up of submitted successfully. Next you have to go on menu and click on view services. After that you will see the page of services. When we scroll this page, we can see that bill amount divided into 3 services. So here you have to select one service to generate service-wise bill. Now go on menu and click on view documents. Now if you want to complete service, then you have to go on menu and click on mark complete. Then you will see the pop-up page. On that you have to fill the time, service completion date, feedback of customer, and remark. After that click on OK. Then you'll see marked completed pop up. Now to see created bill for selected service, go on menu and click on view bill. Now here we can see service-wise bill created, which is amounted 1,000 plus GST for one service. Next, to create tax invoice, go on menu and click on tax invoice. And you will see pop-up of billing document invoiced. Now if you want to see invoice, go on menu and click on view invoice. And check all the details. Next, to approve that invoice, go on menu and click on submit. Then you will see pop-up of submitted successfully. If you want print invoice, click on print. Then you'll see pop-up of want pre-printed stationery and print invoice. Now here we have created service-wise billing. That's all for today. See you in next video. Thank you.